A group of us is planning to try a new restaurant tonight. Would you like to come along?
You know, you're making this challenge much harder than it needs to be.
Come on. You've worked really hard all week and deserve to enjoy yourself a little.
Eating outside occasionally isn't a bad habit. Doing it every day is the real problem.
I know you're right, I just don't want to fall back into my old routine.
There's a huge difference between enjoying a meal with friends and relying on restaurant food every day.
Exactly. This challenge is about balance, not about being perfect all the time.
That's actually a good way of looking at it. All right, you've convinced me.
Great. Just don't blame us later if you decide to order dessert too. Everything on this menu looks so good that I honestly don't know what to choose.
Same here. Every option sounds better than the last one.
I feel the same way. This restaurant has too many tempting choices.
A few weeks ago, I would have ordered the biggest and most unhealthy meal on the menu without thinking twice.
And what are you planning to order today?
Surprisingly, I'm paying attention to my choices and looking for something lighter and healthier.
That's real progress if you ask me.
I agree. You've come a long way since you started this challenge.
Honestly, I'm surprised by myself too. I never thought changing this habit would be possible.
So tell us honestly, how is your challenge going after all these weeks?
Much better than I expected. I didn't think I'd be able to stick with it for this long.
Have you noticed any real changes in your daily life?
Definitely. I've saved more money than I expected and have much more energy throughout the day.
That's always a pleasant surprise.
It really is. I also don't feel tired all the time anymore, which has made a huge difference.
That's wonderful. You seem much happier and healthier these days.
I've even started sleeping better at night, and I wasn't expecting that benefit at all.
Sounds like all your hard work is finally paying off.
Can I ask you something? I've been curious about your new routine lately.
Of course. What would you like to know?
I've noticed you've been bringing homemade lunches almost every day. How did you manage that?
I didn't make huge changes overnight. I simply started taking small steps and stayed consistent.
That's probably where I make mistakes. I always try to change everything at once.
I used to do exactly the same thing, and it never worked for very long.
So, what made the biggest difference for you?
Focusing on small improvements instead of trying to be perfect. That made everything much easier.
That actually sounds realistic. I think I'll try that approach too.
You should. Consistency beats perfection every single time.
It's hard to believe that it's already been a month since you started this challenge.
Looking back now, do you think all the effort was worth it?
Absolutely. It turned out to be one of the best decisions I've made recently.
What's the biggest lesson you've learned from the entire experience?
I've learned that small choices made every day can create huge changes over time.
That's a lesson a lot of people need to hear.
I still enjoy eating outside occasionally, but now it's something I choose rather than something I depend on.
And that's probably the biggest difference of all.
You've saved money, improved your health, and even learned how to cook.
Exactly. I started this challenge for one reason, but I ended up gaining so much more than I expected.